the conference will be too long. And I'll be back maybe about 8 o'clock.
Okay, that's great.
Alright, bye sis.
Bye, bro.
I love you. Thanks for putting up with me. I will. Alright, cool.
Tiffany, I know how you must feel, but please don't punish me by not answering your phone. At least let me know that you arrive okay and that you're fine. Please.
Tiffany, listen to me. I am your mother. And I know that you're upset, but that doesn't give you the right to leave Jamaica for much days and don't even let me know if you're okay. So please, I'm asking you, call me. Call me now.
Oh, I can't send that one. Michelle, that will make it worse.
Come on, answer. Answer. Hi.
Hi.
So I take it you haven't heard from her as yet?
No, I haven't.
She's not answering my calls either. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. My daughter is not talking to me, and I feel like my heart is ripping out of my chest. I'm fine.
Alright, fair enough, Michelle. No need to be sarcastic. But if it's any consolation, I feel the exact same way. And this conference is just getting on my...
Marcus, I don't want to hear about your conference. Your political life doesn't concern me.
I'm just trying to make conversation, Michelle, that's all.
Well, bad timing.
Just so you know, this is ripping me apart too, you know. I am the one who's hurting the most in this scenario.
Hold on, honey. Allow me to get comfortable so you can make this all about you. Now I'm seated and comfortable. Continue.